Hi everybody, this is Miss Curry. I just wanted to make a video and share with you, let me go to my Google Classroom, kind of the resources that I have on my page so that you can use and navigate through them with ease. So here on this first page, once you are into my Google Classroom, you'll see the stream page. On this page, I usually just leave up different links that use codes. So for instance, this is Seesaw, and here is my classroom code if you have not yet joined. Here is the codes for specials, but I'm pretty sure many of you are already logged into that, so don't worry so much about that. Here is where I want to take you so that you know what your child's expectations are for the day, each day, and then what other options they can do to continue their learning after they finish their activity. So I'll first start here. So today's date, Wednesday, 8/26, is where I am housing all of the activities that we're doing today. So after each mini lesson, you can come here if you're not sure what to do. Click on that subject and it lets you know, okay, I have to complete the Seesaw activity for the day, and it's called subitizing. So that's what I go and look for on Seesaw, and then here's some optional videos that you can use to have your child continue their practice. You can see all the subjects are already here so that you can click on them, and it's the same thing. Gives you the assignments. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and I'm going to go all the way down to extra practice. So here are a couple of things that you can do if your child has finished their work and you would like them to continue extra practice. They can listen to stories online, really great resource. They can have some extra reading practice, and this is on a website called ABC Yaw. This is a really good website, free website to practice. If it tries to charge you, then you might have to access it using a different device. There's extra math practice, and there is Get Epic Online. This is also free. This is a huge resource for your child to be able to not only read books, but also listen to the stories being read, and I'll go into that website right now. You can see that there are a variety of books. Some of them actually read to your child, some of them are audiobooks, some are where they can read. There's so many interest levels and genres. So check this out. In order to make your account, you just make sure that you can click on these directions and it'll tell you exactly how to do that. Again, just another good resource. I have a couple of how-tos for parents down here in case you are stuck and you need extra help, but this is just kind of what we will use each and every day. And then of course Seesaw is going to be another huge one that we use each day, and again you can access Seesaw each day through the stream right here. So I just want to give you this video just to help you in case you have questions. Please let me know if I left something out or you still have another question, and I will be happy to answer it. All right, happy learning.